Several persons are now facing uncertain futures after their homes were destroyed by fire in Clarendon Thursday morning. Investigations are ongoing into the cause of the blaze. We have more in this report.
Vincent Williams and his family had one of the worst Christmases imaginable. Their houses in Osborne Store, Clarendon, were completely gutted by fire around 2 a.m. Thursday morning. Mr. Williams said the fire started at his niece's house, which is adjacent to his. They tried to put out the blaze. However, it spread quickly through the two wooden structures.
When the fire truck come late, the house burned down and the apartment and my one catch a fire. So in the same room over there, so catch a fire. We not see him nothing, daddy. Nothing we not see him. Me, no clothes, nothing. Eh? Grieve me, daddy, me I tell you, grieve me. Cry, man, me no sleep. If you have a doctor, whole time you see them, leak out. So they give me injection and give me pressure pill.
An official estimate of the damage was not available, but the occupants say they lost expensive appliances, furniture, cash and documents. Members of the political directorate who were on the scene provided the victims with food supplies, but they say more help will be needed from the state.
And for any family to get a Christmas gift like this, it is really heartbreaking, and I believe it is one of the most destructive things can happen to a family anywhere in Jamaica or anywhere in the world. The fact of the matter is that this family is a large family that is living here. This fire has contributed to about 15 or so persons being out of a home and out of everything for their Christmas.
The police and the fire department are still investigating the cause of the fire, but even as they do that, Councillor for the York Division, Opel Purcell, is suspicious about the incident based on recent developments in the community and around the family.
Well, we leave that to the police to do their investigation, as we have persons in the police force that are much capable of dealing with situations like this. I believe that we ought to implore on citizens, if you have something that you cannot manage or deal with, when you have something with one another, please go to the police and ask the police to deal with the matter, because that is where you will get the law take its course.
Sasha Lee Hamilton, TVJ News.